So me and Marc are back down the river. You can see this pool here. If you go up where the trees are, just in the shadow there.
Between the trees, there's another rise in there.
There's a few more fish just rising up in the shadow. There's one right at the tail end, or the top of this pool, I should say. It's rising quite regularly, so Marc's put on a wee blowfly. He hooked one before, but he rose again, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. How long have we been
Right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Another one on
There must be a few fish sitting there. Yep. Oh, perfect.
There we go. Going on the money. Come on.
Oh.
What's he doing? Oh.
Oh.
He took it?
Yeah. That's another good cast. He may take again, but
Not sure if he'll take again.
might have butchered that one.
Yeah, yeah, I think I struck a bit early. Yeah, put that softly through there.
Oh, there's one that rose just up a bit
Yeah, I can see him.
further. You can see him rising real hard,
He
eh?
rose again. Oh, that's a nice cast actually. I got an 18-foot leader, so it's perfect for this at the moment.
You got him? Yes! On the dry. Yeah.
I want him to come down here.
Yeah, bro.
Stay away from that snag, bro.
Nice.
Stay away from that snag. Oh, I got him.
Nice. Yeah.
That's awesome.
The other one's still rising up there.
Yeah. He was a little feisty dude.
He's not the biggest fish, but
No.
that was good.
That's cool.
Seen that one rising. Yeah, I'll get that net.
That's a beautiful little fish.
Yeah, he's good, eh?
Definitely not as big as the other one.
Oh no, that one rising up under that tree's a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Look at that net.
Oh, he's good.
He's still a good fish.
Yeah.
Especially wee small water like this. Can't complain. Fish on the fly is a fish on the fly, and he's on the dry fly.
No, he's on the nymph.
Oh, is he on the nymph?
Yeah.
Oh, did you put a nymph as well?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, boy.
Nice.
Oh, he's not too bad.
Yeah, he's probably 2 pound.
He doesn't have many spots.
No.
Honestly, he's quite silver.
Yeah. Good stuff, bro.
Yeah, bro. Alright, so
Do you want a photo?
yeah, of course.
Sweet. Right. Yeah. Oh, is it shallow up here? Alright, cool. Seen a couple of nice fish in this pool, but they didn't commit to eating the soft bait. But saying that, we've only got the second hole that we've found. So I'm just trying to get to a spot where I don't have to get the family jewels wet and risk getting the GoPro drowned. Oh, lucky I got a dry bag though.
Yeah, bro. I put all my waterproof, my stuff in this week. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, just up there.
Is there a fish? Oh, that's a nice run.
Oh, this is mine. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, I'm moving, sorry, can't stop.
Can't stop, don't do it.
Oh, that's
there was going to be a fish on that.
Yeah.
It'll be on that cast. I reckon.
There'll be something up here.
Yeah.
For sure. There's 2 fish just here. Both pretty good size, probably 3 plus. Need to go a bit further up.
Yeah, I don't want to go too far and get my fly line on them. How much further than where it landed? It's about 2 meters there.
Yep.
Oh, I can see another one.
Yeah.
Big one. See it under the tree there?
Oh yeah.
There's 3 fish in front
Yeah.
of it. That's the one that.
Yeah.
That big.
It could do it.
Oh, here he comes. He swirled on it. Okay.
Oh.
He came over and.
Yeah, I saw that.
I'll go for the big one now.
Yeah. How wicked would that?
The fish is right here, so
I know.
I'll try have a go at him.
I can see him. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's her.
That's the cast. Here he goes.
That's another good cast.
That's going to go right over.
I know. Oh, he's looking at it, isn't he? Yes! Nice. How good.
Do you see the
Yeah, bro.
ride? Do you see the
Yeah.
Go upstream.
Don't go down upstream. You speak the others. Should we try to get a double hookup?
Yeah, right. Do it.
Yeah. I'm on the tree.
No.
Oh! I got him! Oh! He hit it off the tree, bro. What? Holy shit. Okay, try that again.
Off the tree, off the tree.
Off the tree.
Oh! You had him.
I know.
You had him, bro.
I'm out the tree. I'm out the tree. And I'm on.
You're on! Alright, who's got to net it?
How crazy was that?
What the?
Right, I'll get your net off your back.
Yeah.
I got that all on video.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was carnage.
I can see another two fish still up there. Look on the
I know.
right side of the sand.
I know.
Three. Dude, there's not 4,
I know.
5, 6. Look at them.
I know.
Oh, he's going under there, bro. Alright,
That was carnage. Whole net yours,
yeah, bro.
because I'm on a spin rod, so it's a bit easier.
There you go, mine's.
Semi-retired.
Ooh, no, don't go under there.
That was so crazy. Come up and nailed it out of the tree, huh? There's mine.
I'll get mine. Mine's got a bit of go.
He's a good, not bad fish. Double hook up, I love that. Although, let's see if we can get a double hook up. Sure enough.
I can't believe you got it twice off the tree, bro.
Okay, you grabbed it out of the tree. Oh.
Look at that, they're like an hourglass. They're like coins, bro.
That's so crack up.
I can see, bro,
Oh.
I can see another 3.
That's so funny.
Oh, that is awesome.
That's probably like one of the coolest fishing moments I've ever had.
Oh, yeah, boy.
And I was recording.
Yeah, recording. Alright, let's chuck him over there.
Oh, that was just like,
No way.
oh, that shit never happens, eh?
No, bro. Not twice off a tree.
Right, I'll get my camera out.
Yeah, bro.
Like that.
Yeah. Look at them.
Yeah. I'll get the hook out of my one.
Yeah. I'll get the photo of the hook in it. Look
Okay.
at mine. It's just on the tip of his nose. But my dry fly just hesitated for like a split second.
Oh,
And bang.
that was cool.
Yeah. And there's minimum another 4 there that I saw.
Double release. Let's get it.
Yeah, bro.
Boom. That was the craziest fishing moment I've had in a while.
Flip it.
Yeah. I'll chuck it through if you want.
No, I got it.
Got it? Right. That, I'm going to explain what just happened. We got here, seen a few fish here. They kind of moved up. And behind this tree, they just started feeding.
I can see some more.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a good one. Can you see?
Yeah, he's a goodie. It's a biggie.
That's a good one.
Yeah, we got here. There's a few fish feeding behind the tree. Marc hooked up. I was like, oh, let's see if I can hook one. I got my I casted way too far. I got caught in the tree, and the fish come up. Boom. And then missed it. Did a recast. Got caught in the tree again, and then yeah, took it out of the tree. Boom.
There's a big one there.
Yeah.
It'll be like 4 or 5, easy. Right, I'm gonna try to get him.
We were just balls deep in trout, hey? That was crack up. Oh yeah, I can see him. He's a good fish.
No, dude, there's 4 there. Oh, okay. That's a bit too far that way, but let's see what happens.
Oh!
Dude, get
Double hook up again, you reckon?
Yeah, bro.
Can we have 2 double hookups? I'm getting cut. I'm getting
You're forward. He's got.
Oh, that was hectic.
I can't believe you took the drive. That wasn't even my best cast.
I know. Right, I'll get the net off.
I can still see a couple more.
Yeah, same. That was nuts.
I hope you're recording again.
Yeah, bro, I am.
That was on the drive.
Yeah.
That's what we said we wanted. It was on the drive. Carbon copy.
Want another photo?
Yeah, bro, we might as well.
That was hectic.
I mean, they're not massive.
No.
Not massive fish.
Yeah. I'll do one cast up there.
2-pounders. I mean,
Yeah. See what happens.
Yeah, they would have swum off that way.
Oh, I can see one.
Yeah. Oh, he's following.
He was.
Get another one.
Oh, that's the cast, surely.
Yeah. Gotta be that.
That might be us from this pool.
Yeah.
Oh no, right there.
No, look,
Yeah,
big one,
yeah.
big one. They're off on the left.
I wonder if you'll see it and come over. Well, he's still there. Right, we'll get a photo of your one.
Let's rest him for a bit.
Yeah.
I can't believe he smashed it dry, bro.
It's so sick.
Boy.
Boom! Good fish on here. It's probably 4 or 5 pound. 4 pound. Yeah. Just cast it in there and he came out and smoked it. Let's walk him down. Oh. Pretty good fish. Definitely fish of the day, that's for sure. Oh, oh, oh.
He's the biggest of the day.
Yeah, definitely. There you go. Just put him in the net, you'll be right. Hee-hee! Good fish.
He is a good fish. He's what, 3?
Yeah. 3.5. 3.5. 3.25. Nice. Just cast it in there and I seen him turn and then come out. Boom.
He's a good fish, bro.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'll get a photo with him actually.
Yeah.
He's actually a really nice fish.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm happy with that.
Three.
Hey, he's nice colours, eh?
Yeah, I spooked 3 or 4 fish come into it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was like, oh, should I go to him? No, okay, yeah. Don't, don't lose the fish trying to get another one.
Yeah.
Oh, that came out easy. There's the camera.
It's in my bag.